In this session, you will learn about how to place footnotes and endnotes in your document. See, footnote is the note found in each and every page of your document. You can insert footnote to each and every page where you want. Endnote is the note you can place at the end of the document, end of the entire document, means after all pages. So, how to place that footnote or endnote means first you have to go for references tab. In references tab, we have footnotes group here. So, see, insert footnote option is there. So, click on that option, automatically it will goes to the bottom of the page, and there see you can find the number, footnote number 1. Here you can type some information. This is the end of page 1. Like that you can insert information. And in second page, again if you want footnote, go to the second page, again insert footnote. See, this is the second footnote. This is the end of table of contents. Like that I can keep on insert footnotes, and in third page also insert footnote, and you type something here. You can navigate between these footnotes by using, see here, next footnote or previous footnote. Suppose I want to go to the previous footnote, so automatically it will reaches the previous footnote, and previous footnote, so the page, previous footnote page, like this. And see, select and next footnote. Next footnote, where the next footnote is, this is the page. And you can use show notes. Directly it will goes to the notes area of that page. Suppose I am here, I want to show the notes of that page, automatically it will goes to that page notes area, footnote area, and here show note. Where you have the notes, there it will show, but where you are, suppose previous footnote, like that you can navigate, or next footnote and show notes, it will goes to the show notes area. So, this is to footnote, next footnote, previous footnote, to navigate to the previous or next footnote area, and if you are in the page, automatically it will shows the notes area, like this, show or hiding. Click and again click. Either it will shows the contents of the page or it will shows the footnote area. Okay, and you can insert endnote. Endnote, generally it is a comment at the end of the document. Endnote. See, after all pages, where we are right now, we are at the 42nd page. This is the end of SQL Server course. So like that I can place end note at the entire after finishing of entire document. And after this, if you type something and if you want another end note, you can also place insert end note. See, it is placing here itself. Why? Because it is remembering the area, and if you click some other area and now insert end note. Finally, it will insert the note at the end of the document. This is the end. So like that you can insert footnotes and endnotes, and even you can go through footnotes or endnotes also. See, previous footnote or previous endnote, previous endnote. That is the previous endnote area and previous endnote. So like that you can navigate also. So simply footnote is the note after each and every page you can place, and endnote is the note you can place after entire document, after all pages. Okay.